This repair video for the P0108 error code is specifically tailored for Saturn drivers. If your Saturn is showing up P0108 code, this is for you. This indicates a problem with the MAP electrical circuit sensor having too high voltage input to the engine control unit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty MAP sensor, vacuum leaks, wiring issues, clogged catalytic converter. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. The MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the MAP sensor from the engine. Inspect the MAP sensor for any damage if damages are found, then replace the MAP sensor when you install a new MAP sensor. Check to make sure the new O-ring is in place and not damaged. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Cadillac, Volkswagen, Subaru, Honda, Ford, Saturn, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.